Today I'm going to talk about 5 activities that you can do with your toddler at home. In this COVID-19 pandemic, when we are stuck at home, we cannot go out, these activities can be done with the help of anyone at home. So mamas, good news for you. You can have some me time while they are doing these activities. So let me tell you about the 5 activities. Yoga, cleaning the house, that is dusting, mopping and brooming, play with colors, tearing and pasting the newspaper and cutting the paper. These activities can be done with the least material required. Now I'm going to tell you how to do these activities at home. The first one is yoga. Rub your palms, put it on your eyes, face. I'm sure most of you do yoga at home. Children also need to do yoga. They can feel the stress we have. They also have the stress of COVID-19 pandemic because they are not in their normal routine. They cannot go out, they cannot meet people, they cannot meet their friends, they cannot meet their teachers. Yoga will really help to relieve stress and anxiety in children. The second benefit of yoga is that it helps the child to become aware of his own body. The third benefit is that the child develops flexibility and strength. Let's talk about the second activity now. That is cleaning the house. Cleanliness is very important. According to me, the child has to learn how to clean because it's a very important life skill. And also, the child feels that he is a member of the household team. Isn't it, parents? When we clean our almirah, we feel decluttered. We feel organized. So cleaning is one method which can help your child to become organized later in life. Trust me, parents. Give a damp cloth to your child every day in the morning. Sometimes you do with them, they will observe you and learn how to do it. And the next day you will see that they are asking for a cloth. The third activity is play with colors. They really need to experiment and explore their own creativity. Playing with colors, playing with paints, sketch pens, crayons, pencil colors, it will help in their fine motor development and you might never know they develop a hobby out of it. Hi Kabir.
Hi, Mama.
What are you doing?
I'm painting. 7.
The fourth activity is tearing and pasting the newspaper. These are the things we need. You won't believe my words. Your child will fall in love with this activity. It is very simple. It will help in the fine motor development of your child. It will also help your child to develop hand strength. Just give a newspaper to your child and show your child how to tear the newspaper. Your child will spend good amount of time in tearing the newspaper and then give him any sheet, draw anything on it and ask him to just fill that shape with the bits of paper. Make sure the child does not put the Fevicol in the mouth and that's it. This activity will take good half an hour to 40 minutes and your child will be so engaged in it. Try it. The fifth activity is cutting the paper. So you can give your child scissors and paper and ask them to just cut it randomly and then you can draw lines, slanting lines, sleeping lines, standing lines and ask the child to cut through the lines. I give my child these ones. These are blunt scissors, they are not sharp. Cutting with scissors is most exciting for children. They love it and they will enjoy doing it. They will want to do it every day after doing once. And cutting with scissors really helps the child to develop fine motor skills. When the child opens and closes the scissors, it helps them to develop the small muscles which are there in their hands. It is very important for them to develop these small muscles. In the end, we want our children to be happy. Do implement these activities at home with your child and let me know if your child liked these activities or not. I will come up with more activities very soon. Thank you. Please let me know if you liked these ideas in the comment box below.